on your cameras. Yes, I can see many people turning on. Still, there are a few friends. Please turn on your camera. It is a request from my side. Okay, second request. Please take a pen and diary with you because much business details will be given over here and you may note it down, and on the later basis if any questions are there it can be discussed. And please isolate yourself so that you can understand the presentation. Okay, so my name is Keval Jodhani. I am from Gujarat and basically I am a civil engineer, and by profession I am working as a professor in one of the most reputed institute in Gujarat, as well as I am working with ISRO also. And in part time, I am using this platform for my business, and it has changed and it has transformed my life. Yeah, it has transformed my life. So, how I am not going to say, but I am not the speaker, I am just a host. Let me introduce to today's speaker. So, today's speaker is Megha Mehra. Megha Mehra, ma'am. Now, let me give you a short introduction. She is a teacher, has 12 years of experience. 12 years. She is a mom, and and in part time in last 13 months from this platform she has got Mercedes Benz. Let me rephrase it. In part time from this platform in 13 months she has got Mercedes Benz. That is a wonderful achievement and tremendous achievement. So today's speaker is Megha ma'am. So help me invite Megha ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kevalji. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. A very good afternoon to everybody who all are here. I am hoping. Acha, is everybody comfortable in English? Because we had kept it specifically for language English. So if anybody who does not understand, we will have one more session in the evening so they can join that time. If you are comfortable, then it's absolutely fine. So thank you so much. A very welcome to all of you in this presentation. See, whatever Keval sir, whatever Keval ji has just told you about the platform, you will be introduced to a platform where you can work in a part time along with your job. So that is absolutely serious. If we have conducted this session, so this is actually for people who wants to do something else in their life. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you this very seriously. If you want to do something in your life, then only you're welcome. Otherwise, you can leave the session. There is no need of wasting your 1 hour. So I want see I just wanted to have some clarity on it, because I am not going to present an entertainment or something like that. So please, if you want to achieve or if you want to do something else in life, then also this session is for you. Otherwise, with all the respect and regard, you can leave the session. Thank you so much. Okay, so my name is Megha Mehra, as he has already told you, and I am a teacher by profession. I've been working from last 11, 12 years, from last a decade. You can, have an idea that from how long I have been working. So, along with my job, I am basically from Uttarakhand and I'm settled in Delhi. So, this is just a little bit about my background. And the presentation is all about a platform where we are working along with our jobs. Like I am working along with my job, and Keval sir, he being a professor, he's working along with our job. See, now you have, got to know about both of us, so you can at least have an idea that two people who are speaking right in front of you, they are something in their life already. Yeah. So along with that, if they have something else which we are introducing to you, please, I am expecting little bit seriousness. Okay. So let me take you forward and let me just have a little conversation before I proceed to the presentation. So see, as I told you, I am also working, and I am like my husband, both of us were working. We are here in Delhi NCR, both of us were into job. So what happened, that why did we think of starting plan B, or why did we need to work on something else along with our job, was very obviously, like today also whatever you are doing, I'm sure you are into something, but along with that we all need to have another source of income. We all want it, everybody. I think today all the successful people, they also do not have one venture, they have a lot of enterprises, more than one ventures they are working on. So similarly, being into a job, being I would say that I come from a normal middle class family, and I wanted to have something, or I wanted to have a stable situation, a stable financial situation. Because see, as I told you, I've been working from 10, 11 years, and I was not able to still work on my dreams. I was still not able to achieve my dreams. I am an MBA in HR. I started working in 2008. I have been working from last 10 years. Still, I was not able to meet up the dreams. Are you getting my point? Like all of us had some or the other dream. All of us had some or the other dream. If you do not remember right now, then go back to your childhood and think of dreams we used to see. So like you all also, I am telling you from my personal experience, I also had some dreams, but since we got into jobs, since we got into other responsibilities, I was not able to meet up. So basically I was looking for something else which can give me a security, which can give me a freedom in terms of time, which can give me a freedom in terms of time. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I did study about it, let me take you to the presentation and I'll show you how and what all are the important factors, what all are the factors we need in life. Okay, so I am hoping that my slide is visible to all of you. These are the dreams we all see. I'm sure these are the dreams I also had and you also have in your life, right? If you are working from, I don't know, from jitne bhi, matlab from 2 years, from 3 years, you must be knowing, are you able to reach to this dreams or not? These are the dreams which we all had: big house, big car, everybody wants it in life. But are we able to reach it? Are we able to make them happen? No. Similarly with me also. So I wanted to do something else which can give me a security. Then, okay, let's move forward and see what are the opportunities. What are the ways we can achieve these dreams? Now, these are the dreams we all have. Why am I talking about dreams? Because the opportunity, with the help of this platform, you'll be able to achieve your dreams. Now, what are the opportunities we have in the market? We have two opportunities. We either can go for job or we can go for business, right? Suppose I was working, so I was into job. Suppose someone from this frame, they are into business, any kind of business. So they are into this business. Now we all have two opportunities. Maximum, most of us go into job because we find it more secure and safe. Secure in the sense 1 month security. Because we go for work for 1 month and then we get our salary in the end of 1 month, right? This is how job happens. This is how job happens. And then the next is business. Now what happens in the business, if we discuss the style of working in job and in business in little detail, then let me show you the present scenario of jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, you already know the scenario, you already know the situation of job. In our nation, we all have this problem since, I don't know, from so many years. Unemployment is always been a concern of our nation, but post pandemic, this is the situation. People who are at very good position in their jobs, they are losing their jobs. They have lost. This is the data, you can go through this. 30 crore jobs have been lost in the pandemic. Every year, some 60 lakh children, they get graduated. And how many jobs do we have? I am just sharing the present scenario. I will also be coming to the solution. So please do not assume, ma'am, we had come for solution. Why are you telling us the problems? Let me explain and describe everything in detail. So this is the challenges we are facing. Everybody, every youth is facing in every family. You must have noticed somebody in your family who's graduated this 2020, they have not placed, right? So now, which means businesses are getting shut, jobs, people are losing their jobs, they are losing their jobs, and they are not getting any kind of increments in their salary. Unemployment is increasing at a very fast rate. Yeah. If now I take you to the business, see, these are the requirements one require for doing a business. All of us, business sounds very fancy, business sounds very great. It sounds that after some time you will get a lot of money, you'll get time, but then it requires a lot of things in the beginning. If I and you want to start any business from where we can at least have a guarantee return, we will at least have to spend some 100 or 200 crores rupees. You also know, small, you can think of any business, like any shop, any business, minimum what capital will we require? We will require a good capital, and if we want a secure, we want a guaranteed return, then we will have to spend a lot of money, good money. So this is what we require in the business. Time, we need to have a lot of time, and if we are in a job right now, I think very difficult for us to manage time for business. Then we need to have a lot of investment, and if we have these two things also and we do not know what to do, then also we are fail as a businessman. So these all are the things comes, or we need to start any business, we need to have space. Where will we start our business? And then comes a lot of liability. So these are the requirements we need to have in the business. Now job I have discussed, business I have discussed. Now let's see how do they work in these two areas. So now if I talk about an opportunity, you are also looking for an opportunity, and I also was looking for an opportunity. Right now I'm giving that opportunity to you people. So let us discuss the average monthly expense of a middle class family. Now this is a data, this is a survey which was done. After this survey, this was proven that in every 20 years, zero gets added to the number. So see, this survey says in 1920, the average monthly expense of the middle class family for survival was 1 rupees. And then in every 20 years, it was increasing by 1 zero. 1940 it became rupees 10. 1960 it was 100. I am talking about monthly expenses. The average monthly, it can go a little up and down, but the average monthly expense of a middle class family. It is not for well off families, but for a middle class family, not even for a below poverty line people. Yeah. So this is approximately 1980 it became 1000. In 2000 it became 10,000, and now right now 2020 it was 1 lakh rupees, wasn't it? Now you tell me if you are not agree with this. You also, if you are in a family where your parents, your, suppose if you're married, your family and your children they stay, then you can calculate it and you know better than me. I also live in a family of three where I, my husband, and my child, and I know that a monthly average expense of my family is approximately 1 lakh rupees. Now this is about 2020. Now think about 2040. This will become 1 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. Do you think our salaries will increase in that ratio? Will it increase like that? Okay, so this is the survey. I have not made it. I have not made it. You can see this survey and you can realize this, and I'm sure you all know better than me. Now let's discuss what are the all are the four kinds of people who are making money in this whole universe. There are only four kinds of people, and everybody who works, like I am talking about everybody, the CEO, peon, VP, everybody, the small businessman, the big businessman, everybody comes in this quadrant. This quadrant is called cash flow quadrant. Now, one more time, I have not made this quadrant. This quadrant was made by Robert T. Kiyosaki, who was an economist, who was an author, who was a multi-talented personality. Robert T. Kiyosaki. If you read about him, this is the book, or this quadrant was made by him, and where he has explained how the different kinds of people fall in different ratio. Who are the people making a lot of money? Who are the people who are doing a lot of work? So let me describe this little better. So see, if you see four quadrant, one kind of people are employees. Now everybody, even if a labor, every kind of a people comes in this, who are working for somebody. That is an employment. That is employee. So employee, and then that is self-employed. Self-employed means people who have their small businesses. They have their own establishment. If I talk about all the advocates, if I talk about doctors who have their clinics, advocates who go to their chamber, salon people, general store, all the small enterprises, small businesses, MSMEs. Now, the next side, if you see, there is businessmen. So we have the third categories, businessmen who are very less, who are very less, who are very less. If you name them, I mean, if we have to name them, we can name like that. Now, fourth category is investors. Investors are all those people who put their money and then they make money from the money. So these four kinds of people are there. Now, if we talk about the population, let's divide these four categories in two categories. Okay, employee and self-employed in one side, and businessmen and investors are on the other side. Now, see, if I take example and if I tell you the population of these people, so employee and self-employed, there are many people. You know what does that mean? That means everybody, the maximum of the population, they are into job or they are in some small businesses. The other side, if you see, there are businessmen and investors, and they are very few. They are very few. They are only 5%. Okay, how do they work? Let's talk about the style of working. So, employee, how do they work? Suppose if I am an employee, okay, I was working somewhere, I told you. So, if I am an employee, I will work for myself. I mean, there is no one who's going to work for me. Next, that will be an individual effort. Second thing, that will be an active income. Do you not think if I go for work, then only I will get my salary? It is not like if I don't go, then I will get my salary. So that is why we call it an active income. That is why I am calling it an active income. So next side, if I show you, there are people who are doing passive income. Now, what is passive income? Passive income means even if you do not work, you get income. That is passive income. Here, people, they work in a team. They work in a team. Okay. Now, population wise, these people are many people. They are some 95% of the total population, and businessmen and investors are only 5%. Now, at the same time, wealth, money, if we talk about, so these 95% people have only 5% of the wealth on this earth. They have only 5% of the wealth. And you know what? Even if we spend this 5% of money, this money goes to them, because the businessmen, the investors, they have made a system. They have made a system. Okay, whenever we get our salary, what do we do? What do we do? We go to market, we pay our bills. We go to market, we do shopping, we buy vegetable, we buy milk, whatever we do. We do these many things also. So where does the money go? Money goes to them only. We recharge our phone, we recharge our TV, we recharge our internet. It goes to them. They have made a system. They have made a system. So all I'm trying to tell you is that if we work alone throughout our life, we will not be able to achieve wealth. We will not be able to achieve our dreams, because whole life will be working. Okay, let me describe it little more. See, now this is income formula. Okay, how does our income gets calculated? So income, let us calculate your work hours. Suppose that if I am an employee, okay, let me take my own example. If I am an employee somewhere, I am working, I'm an employee, I go to school and I go and work for some 8 hours. I go to school for some 26 days in a month, and in a year I go for 12 months. So if I calculate and if I go to school or if I go for job for 40 years, 40 years, and imagine in these 40 years I have to do everything. And what if I'm not able to go for 40 years? Because I don't know how long will I live. I don't know how long will I live. So I don't know whether I'll be able to work for 40 years or not. So if I calculate the work hours, it becomes somewhere around 80,000 to 1 lakh hours in my whole life. In my whole life. This can vary, this can go little up and down for you, for me, for people who are, working in IT, people who are working in hospitality industry. It may go up and down for them, but approximately every human work for some 80,000 hours to 1 lakh hours. Now, in that 80,000 hours, we have to achieve everything, and we don't know for how long will I live. Life is very uncertain. At the same time, if I talk about my school owner, like I was teaching, I was working as a teacher, and I was working in an international school. So suppose if I take example of my school owner, so they have employees like me, some 10,000 employees, and per day 8 hours, they do not have 8 hours, they have 80,000 hours in one day. That is their power, that is their strength, that is their advantage. This is what is happening. If we want to earn, if we want to create a wealth, either we have to have a lot of money, or we need to have people so that their time get multiplied by my time. See, from last 10-15 minutes I'm trying to explain this only, that if we have people, if we have people and their time, we will be able to create wealth. Okay. So now I have a business presentation, I have a business model which will not require these many things, which will not require money. You will not, there is no need to have money to start this business. So if there is no money needed, there is no risk. Next thing is knowledge. So knowledge is also not required, because whatever industry I'm going to introduce to you, I will give you all the knowledge. Time, as I told you that it is not a kind of a job, so time will be required according to your flexibility. So in a day, if you can give 2 to 3 hours, that will be enough to build this business. Now what is this business, you all wondering? Now this business is, okay, let me show you the achievement first of all, and then I will discuss what this model is. So see, from this business model which I'm going to share, a lot of people have made a lot of money, and every year, every month, they make money along with their current profession. Some are students, some are working, some are housewives, some are retired people. They are making money being whatever is their current profession. So this is how people earn in a month. I will tell you what is that, what is the module, and how do we work in that. So these are people who are earning, because see, I am not here to present anything which has no genuinity, which has no authenticity. That is the reason I am showing you the payouts, the income of people. This is how they earn every month. Every month across the nation, there are a lot of people who are doing, who are teachers, who are fashion designers, who are interior designers. This gentleman is an interior designer. This lady is a proper housewife from Patna, Bihar. She has never worked in her life. But this model, she's working from home and she's earning this much in a month. This is again one more couple who are working. The husband is a businessman, big businessman who has spent some crores rupees in his investments, in his establishments. And this is what his wife is earning being at home. This lady, Mrs. Sujata Mehta from Bangalore, we have in our team, who has this income of a month. Can you beat that? She has never worked in her life. Her husband is working from last 26 years in a reputed government organization. This is me and my husband, who is an engineer by profession. And let me tell you, we have been working with this platform from last 14 months. And this is our mentor, who was an engineer by profession, but now he has left his job and he's working on this model part full time. And this is what we have achieved in 13 months. So there is nothing which is fabricated, there is nothing which is fake here. I am sharing whatever is the reality. This car we have bought in just 13 months. Okay, so I am talking about network marketing industry. Hmm. Half of you must be thinking, oh, I know this industry. I know this. We have worked in this industry from so long, and I've heard my father is working, someone is working at your family, or I mean, you must have heard about it. So, this is the industry I'm going to talk about. This is the industry we have been working, and this is the industry which is growing even at this pandemic. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, let me explain what is this. There, I'm sure on my frame there are two kinds of people. Either you have heard about this industry and negative you have heard about this industry, or second category of people I have on the screen are people who have never heard about it. So let me give you all detail about this industry. I was working, and being an MBA graduate, I also used to think this industry is nothing. I mean, I used to think no one earns from this platform. Who earns from this platform? I used to think this is nothing. People who have no work, they work with this platform. Why was I thinking this? Because I didn't have complete knowledge about this industry. So since I got into this platform, and when I was looking for some opportunities, and I came across network marketing industry is one of the fastest growing industry in Indian market and globally also. So if I go in little detail and I tell you what is this industry, so network marketing industry is the genuine industry. Now, what is this industry? So network marketing is also called direct selling industry. Direct selling industry is that industry where the manufacturer manufactures the product and it gets marketed by people, as simple as that. Like when you want something, where do you go? You go to retail store. You go to retail store and you buy a chocolate, maybe a notebook, maybe a pen. You do not go to a manufacturer. If you want a packet of Maggie, where will you go? You will go to retail store. You will not go to Nestle factory, right? This is how we all used to purchase things, and this is how we all used to go for all this. Now, what happened after traditional market? E-commerce came. When e-commerce came, we, being at home, started ordering things, and we were getting delivered at home only. Then this industry, what does it do? So here what happens, the movement of the product from manufacturer to consumer happens directly. It happens through a network of people. Okay, so it is absolutely a genuine industry for which Indian government has made the guidelines. One more thing, ladies and gentlemen, this industry is not at all very new or a new concept. This industry is been there from last 1920. 1920 globally, this industry is creating a lot of millionaires. This industry is producing stable croropatis. In India, this industry came in 1995 from a Swedish company. So I will also tell you about my company and what is the work. Let me also give you some more facts about this industry. See, if I say this industry is the fastest growing industry and we all should work in this industry, you might not believe. But there are people who are successful in their life and who are endorsing network marketing, direct selling. We at least have to listen once. That's Donald Trump. He is talking about network marketing.
When I did The Apprentice, it was a long shot. This is not a long shot. This is going to be something that's really amazing. The harder you work, oftentimes, the luckier you get. I walked in, and people are thanking me so much. Mr. Trump, thank you. And I said, why? What did I do? They said, I've made more money in the last month than I have in the last 2 years. I want people to be successful. I want people to make a lot of money, and I want people to enjoy it. When I got out of that car, I saw such unbelievable enthusiasm for the group, for the founders, and for the product, and for what we're doing as a network, as the Trump Network. The other thing is, and I just see it so many different times, never, ever quit. To be victorious, you have to think of yourself as a winner. You have to feel that you're a winner. You have to feel that you're better than the competition. We want to do and we want to have a 5-year plan. We want to end up being the biggest in the industry.
Out here, Donald Trump is talking about network marketing industry, and if you want to know more, you can also find it on Google that he himself has his own network marketing company with the name of Trump's Network, where they work with wellness products. Now, one more, testimony, or I can say, one more personality who is successful in their life, who was an IAS officer of 1980 batch, and who is presently the CEO of Niti Aayog, the Planning Commission of Indian Government, Mr. Amitabh Kant. What does he have to say about network marketing? He says direct selling is a major driver of India's growth. He says there are two things which can actually help people to get employment. There are only two ways. He's here talking about it. You can.
The direct selling industry adds hugely to economic activity. It is a major driver of India's growth, and that it provides the economic impetus to any more than anything else. And the key challenge for India is really about growth with jobs. So if you are not able to create jobs, then we'll be in deep problems. And therefore, jobs are very, very critical. And we need to grow at 9 to 10% per annum for 3 decades or more to be able to create jobs for a very young population. We are passing through a window of demographic transition, which rarely happens in history. Our population is very young. The biggest social and economic transition that is taking place across the world is the fact that the population in Europe and America is getting older and older. The population in India is getting younger and younger, and it will keep getting younger till 2040. And therefore, if you have to reap this advantage, it can be a huge nightmare as well if you are not able to create jobs. So if you have to create jobs, there are only two ways. One is to push manufacturing in a very big way, and the other is to push direct selling.
So, being at this position, why will he say that there are two ways? The one is push manufacturing, and the other one is to do direct selling. He's saying we can at least have a little bit of trust and we should consider this industry for once, at least in our life. There are many examples. Bill Gates. What does he say? He was asked once in one of the interview that if you lose everything, what will you do? He said, I'll find a good network marketing company and I'll get to work. Bill Gates, being amongst the richest people in the world, he says, I will choose a good network marketing company and I'll get to work. So there are certain facts, there are certain, points which they have considered, and they are also giving us signs that we should also be a part of this industry. A lot of people, this is Mr. Vivek Bindra, who is an international motivational speaker, who is a leadership consultant and who's a business coach. He trains people, he guides people in various businesses, and he tells people, he guides people. So he was asked by so many people that what are your views about network marketing industry. So out here, this video is in Hindi. I will tell you what he's speaking here. He says network marketing industry is one of the growing industries, one of the great work or great industry where we all should work at least once in a lifetime. Because network marketing company which has products, which has its manufacturing, they are genuine. There were certain companies which did scam and scandal. And that is why out here in India, people have negative mindset for network marketing. Why do people think negative about this industry? Because of companies which came and which brought the concept of network marketing, but they didn't have any product, which means they were not genuine. And that is the reason they came, they took money from people and they went away. And they did a lot of scam and they fooled people. That is why people have negative mindset for network marketing to even today. So he's saying here that network marketing companies who have manufacturing, who have products, you should at least do network marketing, and you should learn a lot of things, because companies which does trainings, which trains people in network marketing, we never fail. We never fail. It's completely a win-win situation. Money is the byproduct. Money in network marketing is the byproduct. What we get besides money is we get to work on ourselves. We develop, there is a complete development of a personality. We learn a lot of things. We learn to speak to people. We learn to work on ourselves. We build our confidence. We become positive. We work on our dreams. And these are the things we can achieve from network marketing. That is why he says that we never fail in network marketing. We never fail in network marketing. Money is the byproduct, but besides money, we get a lot of things. Even here in this video, he's also mentioning that I would also want my son to do network marketing. So there are something there is there is some genuinity. This is a Hindi thing. I have already told you what he has said. Now again, one more time, our honorable Prime Minister says India's biggest problem is unemployment, and what is that which can rescue this concern? That is direct selling. Besides this, there is one more report. I would insist you all to see this report once the presentation gets over. This report is also available on Google. This report is made by KPMG and FICCI. KPMG is world's fourth largest audit company and FICCI is a governing body. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why did they make this report? Because Indian government asked them to make the report. Why did the Indian government do so? Because if something or some industry is helping Indian economy to grow, they will always want them to do the survey and to see the future of this industry in India. This was the report which was made by these two big firms, and when they made a report, this is the report saying. Report says that direct selling market size in India in coming 2025 will be 645 billion. 645 billion is 64,500 crores. Can you beat that? And how long is that? 2025. It will come like this. If we don't take any decision today, 2025 will come like this, I'm telling you. Did you realize from 2015, how did 2020 came? Next, this report says that this platform is going to give self-employment opportunities to 18 million people. Self-employment opportunities. That is why Indian government is bringing this to our country. That is why this is being taught. If anyone who is here on the screen, if you are a student of BBA, BCom, or you had commerce in your 12th, you must have studied this in economics, network marketing. So if something is being taught, that means there is a future of this industry. This industry is helping ladies to empower, helping ladies to make their own identity being at home. This industry helping Indian economy or helping the government get more taxes. 30%, if you see the 30%, every year 30% of millionaires are produced by this industry. Next, let me take you to the company I'm talking about. See what all I did so far. Now, if I take you back and little revision I do. So what did we do? We spoke about the opportunities we have in today's market. Then we also spoke about the style of working in job and in a business. What all do we require? Then we studied about the work style of jobs and business. Then how can we multiply our time? How can we multiply our time? By having more people with us. How can we have more people with us without having money? By doing network marketing. I came in this industry in September 2019. 2019 September. It is just 14 months. It is just 14 months, and I average approximately my monthly income is 2 lakh rupees. And let me tell you very honestly, I'm an MBA graduate. One more time, I've been working from 10, 11 years. My salary was not even a 1 lakh. So let me take you to the organization, the company. So I am a part of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. You must have heard of it or you must have not, because this company works on word of mouth. Absolutely, uh, there is no promotion, there is no marketing by any other mode of communication. So Vestige Marketing Private Limited is Indian company which was started by these three gentlemen, who is Mr. Gautam Bali sir, who is the MD of the company, and Deepak Sood sir and Kanwar Veer sir. These are the directors of the company. So these three people had started this company who have prior experience into network marketing industry. They started this company in 2004. And today, Vestige Marketing is India's #1 network marketing company, and globally the only Indian company which comes in top 100 global list, and it stands at 30th position. Very proudly, I tell people that Vestige is only Indian company which comes in top 100 globally list. Last year turnover was 3,000 crore. When company came in India, when it was started, they came with 10 products and 6-7 distributors. First year they did a turnover of 2.5 crores, and every year they took an average annual growth of 79%. Company besides India ke alawa, other than India, it has its operations in 6 other nations also, like Dubai, Bahrain, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bangkok, Ghana, South Africa. It has 56 offices in India. It has company. What is the company doing? Company is doing some products. What products are it manufacturing? I will tell you. So company has some 350 to 400 world class quality product range. Company has its stores, 3,500 stores in pan India. I mean, not the retail stores, but through somebody from where you can go and you can collect your products. There are some 3,500 stores in pan India. Now Vestige Marketing, what do they manufacture? Vestige Marketing, before I tell you the products of my Vestige Marketing, I will like to tell you that the top network marketing companies globally, 39% of companies are manufacturing wellness. I mean, they are working on wellness product. 30% companies are working. This is the data. 30% of companies are working with cosmetic products. 12% companies, they are working with FMCG, I mean the daily used products, home care, personal care. And this gives me immense pleasure to tell you that our company produces everything. Our company has wellness product, our company has cosmetic products, our company has everyday essential product. Now, so the products are this. We have personal care, we have home care, we have wellness product, healthcare, we have agriculture, we have electronics, we have ladies cosmetics, and we have premium skincare. These are the products we have. Our company is manufacturing, where the manufacturing unit is in Himachal Pradesh, Baddi. Electronics, we do not manufacture. Electronics, we have a tie-up with Sharp Company, which is a Japanese, very old and reliable company. So these articles which Sharp Company give us, or we have Sharp articles, they do not sell it on their own. So it is also written that it is exclusively sold by Vestige distributors. Now your question must be, how can we earn from this, right? You must be thinking, how do we earn? You tell us how to earn. Okay, let me go to that. See, please let me clear it right now. We don't have to sell any product. If we had to sell products, I wouldn't have done it. Honestly, I wouldn't have done it. Do you think a lady who is an MBA, who has 10, 12 years of experience, can sell products? No, I wasn't able to, and I wouldn't have done it if the style, the process of working was like this. Let me take you forward and tell you how do we do it. So, when these are the products you use at your home also, these are the products everybody, all of you are using at home. Everybody, all of you have it, right? You all have toothpaste at home, you all have soap at home, you all have shampoo, you all have all these articles using at home from so many years. I mean, from the time you are born, you have been using soap, shampoo, everything at your home, right? Now, what is the first step? How do we go further? See, first of all, there is nothing target oriented, or there is nothing sales oriented, or there is nothing, sales oriented. I mean, so you can understand, everybody does the business along according to their own convenience. Okay. Now, when you change your shop, suppose you buy all these products from the general store, you have in your society, or maybe you buy these products from Big Bazaar, or maybe from grofers, or maybe it's from somewhere else. Now, what is the first step? We have to change our shop. There are more than 350 products. You can change anything. You can buy products of your choice. It is not like if you don't want to change your shampoo, you should change your shampoo. I'm not saying this. I told you there is no compulsion, there is nothing mandatory, so you can go along, you can go according to your choice. Now you can change the products which you think you can do easily. Now, what happens when we change our shop? First of all, we get these many benefits which you are not given from outside. Yeah, so these are the benefits you are given from the from Vestige. First of all, you get discount of 10 to 20% on MRP. MRP is maximum retail price, so you get benefit on your MRPs. You get this offer which we do not get from outside. Next is free products worth rupees 200 to 400. Suppose you buy product of 3000 4000, you get this much free. Then you get cashback in your account. You get cashback in your bank account, money back guarantee, which I think we do not have anywhere. Money back guarantee, which is also called return policy. I think no company and we have this policy nowhere. So you also have this facility, this offer here. Then fifth is consistency bonus. Now consistency bonus says if you buy the same products every month from the market, let's change our shop. Let's change the shop. You start buying from Vestige, and the products are pocket friendly. They're not expensive. Trust me. Okay. I am telling you, considering the average families, the average middle class families of this nation. I am not considering people who are already very well off. They are come from filthy rich family. No, no. I am considering people who are using the nominal prices product. So now consistency bonus says if you change your shop and continuously for 4 months you buy from here, and fifth month you get a benefit of 2500 free product. Every month you're buying products for how much? For 3000. And fifth month you get a benefit of 2500 rupees free product. Now this is also not compulsory. It is up to you. This is if you want to achieve this offer, you can go like this. Now, second thing, my motive or people who have invited you here, their motive is not to make you a user. We want you to have your own network so that you also have a source of income like we have. So, how do we create or how do we have an income? Now, so please assume अभी कुछ मत करना आप. Okay. I think I am very much clear that we don't want you to be a user. We want you to have your own network, to build a network. And network, why do we need to create a network? Because all the people who are earning, whose time is getting multiplied, whose income is getting multiplied, they are making network. And who are successful, they have a network. All the big people you see, they have a network. You take example of everybody, Adani, Ambani, Jack Ma, Amazon, Jeff Bezos, you talk about Mark Zuckerberg, who has made Facebook. What are they doing? They are creating a network. If you know Baba Ramdev, what is he doing? What has he done? He taught people yoga free of cost every day, night. What did he do? He made a network. He connected people with him. Then what did he do? He brought a brand to Indian market called Patanjali, and he introduced his product. And all those people who were already connected to him, they started buying products. What did Jio did when they launched Jio? What did Ambani do? They worked day night for Jio. They worked very hard for a great connectivity, I must say, and they gave the SIM free of cost. You remember we all got the Jio SIM free of cost. That was their strategy. They were making a network. You buy Maggie every month. Maggie has made a network. You recharge your phone every month. they have made a network. So everyone who's making money, who's making passive income, they have made a network. That is the reason we also need to have our own network. And how can we make a network? We don't have money to establish a company. So with the help of network marketing company, we can make our network. I come from a very normal middle class family. I started Vestige in 2019 September month. I didn't have so many people. I didn't have any network. I knew some people. I recommended it to some people. And today in my network, there are 5,000 people across the globe. So this is what and this is how it is working. This industry is huge. This industry is huge. So this is what I have already taught you. This is the benefit of becoming a user, but don't want, I want you to create a network. Now, when you create a network, how does the PV, how does the business gets calculated? See, you every time the business happens, it gets calculated in PVs. PV is point value. Now 1 PV is 30 rupees. So I told you 3,000 rupees, so you can imagine that 3,000 is 100 PV. So 3,000 makes 100 PV, and when you buy product of 100 PV, you become 5%. Okay. Now, suppose in your team somebody comes and somebody says, I want to start a business with air purifier. I told you there is nothing compulsory. You buy whatever you wanted to buy from market. There is nothing compulsion. So when you bought suppose an air purifier or water purifier, suppose you took air purifier and for that article, the PV is 668 PV, which means you come here to which level? 8%. So then, according to the 8% level, you will be getting the cashback, you will be getting the free product voucher, you will be getting the benefits. Now, unless you become 11%, you do not have a stable income. So that is also not difficult. We have people who have gone to 11% in 2 days also and maximum in 1 month. Understand the dynamic of this business. You don't have to do everything all alone. Like I am telling you people, you also will have some people, those some people you have to connect with us. You don't have to start telling them. You don't have to sell products. You have to connect those people with us. So approximately income. See, the Vestige marketing plan is a generation plan where everyone has a lot of benefit. There are some 9 kinds of income which we get being a distributor, and those 9 kinds of income we start getting according to our rank. Rank is the position or hierarchy we can say we have in our offices also. So this is how after 11%, 11% means bronze director, and this is your approximately income. The income absolutely depends on the business happens in your network, other than also in your structure, so how the people are placed. Okay, then you become silver director, then you become gold director, then star, then diamond, then crown, and then it goes like this. So once you become double crown director, all the 9 kinds of income starts coming. Even if at crown only you get your some 8 kinds of income. I and my husband are crown right now, crown director. You get money for buying a house, you get money for traveling, you get money for buying a car, you get money. There are different heads for income. Okay. So now how have we taken this much growth? That is because of this personality whose name is Mr. Sonu Sharma. I think you all know him very well. Every time you see your Facebook or Instagram, every time you scroll up or scroll down, you see his picture or his video. So this gentleman has some 60 lakh subscribers on YouTube. His videos has crossed 1 billion views. He is an inspirational speaker. He's a corporate trainer. He trains in some 100 corporates. 100 corporates. You know, the big corporates like ICICI, ABS, Bajaj, Luminous, HP, who makes laptop, Hewlett Packard. There are a lot of other companies where he goes and trains people, MRF, where he goes and he trains people. So he's a corporate trainer. Now, how has he become a corporate trainer and a wonderful speaker? Because of network marketing. He started this network marketing industry some 20 years back. He has rich 20 years of experience of network marketing. Today, even if he does not do anything, he gets passive. He gets passive. He gets absolutely free. He gets from YouTube, he gets from his social networking sites, he gets from training. For 2 hours of his training, he charges 6 lakh rupees. So we work with him, we are directly working with him, and that is the reason we have taken this much growth. That is the reason in 13 years we have purchased a Mercedes. So that's Mr. Sonu sir and our team members. That is on right hand of Sonu sir, that's Bhupesh, my husband. This is a video which was shot in Okla office. Actually, Vestige ka headquarters, the headquarters of Vestige Marketing is in Delhi only, Okla, Delhi. They have their own property where 500 employees sit and they work. So 500 employees they have at the headquarter, and there are other offices also. So you can again, imagine that how company is growing and how big. I mean, you can think of stability and credibility of the company. That should we stick to the company or should we not stick to the company, right? So this was shot. This is a video which was shot in. So good morning, everyone. मैं Sonu Sharma, inspirational speaker, leadership consultant, and life coach. Again, this is in Hindi. So sir is telling that I work with Bhupesh Mehra directly. So he is welcoming all of you to be a part of his revolution. This his team. So this is Sonu sir 20 years back, and this is Sonu sir today. Now you'll be surprised to see some more examples on YouTube, not from my team, but Vestige has set or has created milestones, because Vestige in Vestige there are people who are earning 1 crores also. There's so many people who are above 50 lakh. So if you write or if you type on Google Asia's top earner, you will find his name. His name is Mr. Siddharth Singh. Siddharth Singh is the ambassador of Vestige. He does network marketing and he does Vestige. His monthly income, if you see, that is 1 crore plus. In which job can we earn this much after 12 years? Let me tell you, he's been doing network marketing Vestige from 2008. From 2008 and today 12 years. In 12 years, he's earning 1 crore plus. Okay, fine. Let's get agree also that we can get this much income in job also. But do you think when we get a salary of 1 crore plus, will we be able to enjoy the life? Let me tell you, today he is not doing anything. He is not doing anything. That is the beauty of network marketing. Once you build network, then you start getting income even if you do not work. That is why I am building this network. There are a lot of other examples, people who cannot see from their eyes, but they are earning some 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees. The people who cannot speak, who cannot hear, they are earning from Vestige. There are people who cannot walk, but their income is 15 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. That is not a joke and nothing fabricated here. Everything is clear, everything is true, and everything is very transparent. So this gentleman drives BMW. And what does he do? He is an illiterate person who has never done job. He used to sell products. He used to sell clothes in front of Red Fort. And from Vestige, with the help of Vestige management and platform, he doesn't know how to sign, and he's earning this much. So this is the power of network marketing. This is the industry where we are working. You can also be a part of this industry. Okay. Any questions or anything, you can come get back to us or the people who have invited you. You can get back to them and tell them that this is my question. You tell me or you clear me the confusion. All right. So the procedure of starting this business is very simple. You just have to share your Aadhaar detail with us. Then the sign up happens, which is free of cost, and you get a welcome message from Vestige. When you get a welcome message, you also get your password and your user ID, with the help of which you can make a purchase and you can start your business. So it is absolutely very simple. You have a lot of apps you get, which you can install on your mobile phone and you can do from wherever you are. So thank you so much. Any confusion, anything, Okay, fine. So let us end it with these two questions. If not this, what do we have? If we do not do network marketing, what else is the option? I hardly think we have any option, because with job we cannot do any other business. With business we cannot do any other job. So whenever I question this to people and I ask people, if not this, what else? They are blank, because there is no other option. So network marketing gives us a lot of opportunities, and there's unlimited, I mean, the sky is the limit. Even the sky is not the limit here. So that's all. I have shown you everything we have been doing. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. I wish you wealth. Any question you can get back to us. Thank you.